Do you think even men go through emotional turmoil?
While men are often dismissed as the feelingless gender, we're not robots. So, yes, we also feel, and therefore we can also go through emotional turmoil.
Yes, I definitely think that men can definitely go through emotional turmoil.
To identify yourself as a male, a female, or somebody who's beyond the gender binary. One thing is for sure that all of us have our emotional calamities.
Uh, I guess yes, men do definitely go through a lot of emotional turmoil.
I think we all go through some form of emotional turmoil from time to time. The frequency or the intensity of such a turmoil may differ for us, but irrespective of being a man or being a woman, everyone goes through some form of emotional turmoil.
Every human goes through the emotional upheaval. Men are no different than women.
So yes, I do believe that men go through emotional turmoil irrespective of whatever gender you are, male, female, or anyone else. Everybody goes through emotional turmoil.
Yeah, men do go through emotional turmoil a lot, and we usually prefer not discussing it actually.
Do you feel there's a need to discuss about your emotions among your friends or any trustable person?
Since childhood, we've been conditioned to bury our feelings. Thus, at a later age, it becomes extremely difficult to either express ourselves freely or express ourselves the right way. For example, I would have a lot of times expressed my pain or my vulnerability, probably in the form of anger.
I think it's very humane to talk about one's issues with another individual. We are very social beings, so it is a constant pursuit that we try to discuss and sort out our issues with another individual.
Definitely require a kind of emotional support from a person who could be trustworthy and wherein he could openly share each and every issues which he is going through without any hesitation.
One quote that really helped me to do so is that I am strong enough to seek help. So normally the notion is that only if you're weak you actually seek help from someone, but it's actually the other way around. Only ones who are really emotionally and mentally strong enough, they can go ahead and seek help.
Trusted people, relatives, family members most importantly, we can not only share our problems but we also get an insight about how and if they have dealt with this particular type of situation, because you never know who has dealt with what kind of a situation in their life. So
Do you think there are enough platforms to discuss?
I'm not aware of any platforms to discuss such things, other than probably going to a psychiatrist, which in Indian society is anyway considered a big taboo.
Yes, to some extent, a lot of mental health issues are being discussed thoroughly on a lot of social media platforms.
At least I don't remember of any last application or a source where maybe I have reached out other than my friend as far as discussion with them is concerned.
So I'm personally not aware about any platform where individuals can talk with other individuals, but there are online counseling platforms which are available where you can talk to a psychologist. I am associated with yourdose.com, and I seek therapy there quite often.
Would you want to talk about it in an open platform? If yes, then would you prefer to be anonymous or reveal your identity?
I would love to talk about things that affect me in an open platform, because the benefit is that when you see individuals who are facing a similar problem that you are, it's much more easier to cope up with the problem. You can yourself come up with solutions when you are suggesting solutions to them.
I don't really mind like my identity to get revealed at the point of time. Apart from that, yes, there are also some other topics wherein it's quite uncomfortable to speak it on a public platform.
I don't mind talking about my problems on an open platform. I do not mind revealing my identity while talking about my problems, because everybody goes through problems. It's like I said, it's not gender specific. It's a common thing, and if people are shying away from their problems, they don't feel like talking about their problems, then they will just end up, cribbing about their problems.
I don't mind discussing my problems in any open platform. As long as people are not being judgmental, I'm cool with it.
I think I will be comfortable sharing my identity.
I would definitely discuss it on an open platform. And about being anonymous, it depends on how intimate or personal these challenges that get discussed.
I think it is completely individualistic as to how a person would want to share his emotions or feelings.
What kind of problems do you think should be addressed on such platforms?
Each of us have our own demons to fight, and we need to be able to assess what kind of challenges can be discussed on an open platform and what shouldn't be.
The first can be career related stress. The second can be work and personal life balance. The third can be new age parenting. Many young people are becoming parent away from home, living in nuclear families. The fourth can be sexual health. Fifth can be relationship issues related to breakups and moving on.
There can be work pressure, there can be peer pressure, there can be sexual harassment, there can be any kind of issue, maybe what a woman goes through.
Men require a lot of help in coming to financial decisions, and I think financial literacy and financial awareness is another core pillar that has to be addressed in the Indian scenario right now. There are other issues, for example, living up to societal expectations. It is expected of a man to be in a well-status job. It is expected of them to earn greater than the woman that they are going to marry. It is expected of them not to cry. But have we taken our time to think how comfortable they are in their own skin?
Personal, professional, marital. We need to address the elephant in the room.
Hi-fi problems, just simple basic life problems that we go through, that how am I feeling, what happened if somebody didn't talk to me properly, or how do I react, what should I say, very basic things.
Lifestyle, any particular social problems that you're going through. If you're an introvert, you're trying to be an extrovert, or you don't, or you feel left out.
How do you cope up with just the constant messages and posts about people doing so many different things in their life, right? And how do you focus on what you are doing and be persistent enough and give it time so that it actually produces a result?
Relationship issues or work-life issues, as I said, or the family issues, or apart from this, is there much more mental related to mental health has been or kind of topics which need to be openly discussed in front of all, so that they can get an open solution for the same.